Hello everybody, what's up? Today I'm going to show y'all how to make your Yamaha TTR louder, and it's gonna make it have less power a little bit, but that's really the only downfall. But everything else is just a really cool little mod I figured out. Really fun to do. And if you want to kind of make someone mad with how loud your bike is, it's a good way to do it. So again, what you're gonna need is a little 8mm. I think this is. I don't know. I don't know the tools that well. And you're gonna remove these 3 screws on the back of your exhaust. If you ever want to put this back on, all you gotta do is insert this like this. Insert it to where the holes line up right here. Make sure all the holes line up, and then put the bolts back in. Get that one fixed, and I'm going to Busco Beach this Wednesday, and let me know if y'all want to see some videos on that, and I'll see y'all later. Also, so much for watching this video. If you want to see more Yamaha TTR videos, let me know. I'm getting new wrap for the bike soon, so if y'all ever want to know how to put some of that on, I'll do a little video. All you really need is a heat gun, and that's really it. But I'll show y'all a video on that. Peace. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell, guys. That helps me a lot out with these videos. Thank y'all.